The next sense organ is tongue. Tongue is the sense organ of taste. We know that tongue is the sense organ of taste. We can taste various foods with the help of our tongue. There are four kinds of taste buds in different areas of tongue. They help us taste sweet, sour, salty and bitter food items. Look at the taste buds on the tongue. So this portion help us to taste sweet. This portion help us to taste salty. This help us to taste sour, and this is for bitter taste. This is for sour taste, and this is for salty taste. These are the four kinds of taste buds: sweet, salty, sour, and bitter. Care of tongue. Clean your tongue daily with a tongue cleaner and clean water. We should clean our tongue daily and with clean water and tongue cleaner. Now the next and last sense organ is skin. Skin is the sense organ of touch. It covers the entire surface of our body and protects it against injuries and germs. It has nerve endings that help us to feel heat, cold and pain. Look at the structure of skin. These are the sweat gland, hair follicle, sebaceous gland, oil gland, hair shaft, and this part is called dermis and this one is called epidermis. Care of skin: bath daily with clean water and soap to clean dirt and dust. We should take bath daily. We should wear clean clothes and we should apply antiseptic cream to any scratch or wound to prevent infection. Learners, please underline all the difficult words, keywords and learn the definition of keywords. Now, here are some definitions of keywords. I will provide all the definitions in PDF also, and I will provide all the all the answers in a PDF also. Skeleton. The bony framework that supports our body is called skeleton. What is brain? Brain is the organ that controls all the activities of our body. What are sense organs? The organs which connect us to the outside world. What is spinal cord? A thick bundle of nerves that connects the brain to the other parts of the body. What are reflex action? The automatic response of the body to a stimulation is called reflex action. What is a joint? A place where two bones meet is called joint. And learner, please take a look at these points to remember. You will be benefited by these points. Okay. Now, book exercise. First oral question is which part of the body protects our brain? That is skull. What is the skeleton? The answer will be given in the PDF. Which part of the ear collects sound waves? The outer ear collects sound waves. What is reflex action? The answer will be given in the PDF. Name three main parts of the nervous system. They are brain, spinal cord and nerves. Which is the longest bone of our body? The longest bone of our body is femur, the thigh bone. Name two sense organ. We know there are five sense organ. We can write any two sense organ: eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. Which part of the brain is called the center of intelligence? Cerebrum. The number of bones in an adult human body is 206. The type of joint in the ankle is gliding. The hinge joint is found in our finger. The spinal cord is protected by backbone or vertebral column. Which sense organ differentiates between different tastes of food? Tongue. Circle the odd ones. Give reason for your choice. We will for this question. I will be providing the PDF. Fill in the blanks. Gliding joint is found in the wrist. The muscles are attached to the bones by tendons. The cerebellum of the brain controls our muscular activities. The vertebral column protects the delicate spinal cord. Identify the pictures and write their names in the space provided. Which body part is this? This is the brain. And which is this body part? The pivot joint in the neck. And what is this body part? This is rib cage. MCQs. First part, the only muscles which do not get tired are called cardiac muscles. Second is, this joint allows movement of the bones in one direction. This is hinge joint. In the absence of nervous system, you cannot see and hear both of these. Very short answer question. Name 3 types of muscles. I will provide the answer of this question in a PDF. Name the nerves which carry messages from the sense organs to the brain. Answer is sensory nerves. Name the part of the brain which controls voluntary muscles. Cerebellum. Cerebellum part of brain controls voluntary muscles. Learners, rest of the questions. For rest of the question, you can take a look on the PDF. I will provide all the answers in the PDF. Learners, please, for this lesson, watch the video carefully, read the lesson carefully, underline all the difficult words, keywords, and learn all the definitions. If you have any problem, you can ask me. I will tell you. Thank you. Have a